What's it like to paint in outer space? What's it like to paint in a gravitational environment? I don't know what that's like, but I just painted this ball um, while it was being held aloft, sort of like it was. There's no gravity. Um, I used paint pens. I'm not. This isn't the only hairdryer that that'll keep balls aloft indefinitely. Um, most hairdryers, I think, will do it. The trick is to put it on a flat surface where it can get adequate airflow. And you also want to get a hairdryer that doesn't generate heat. Most hairdryers I've found they don't have a no heat setting. They have a low heat setting, but most of them um, generate heat even on a low setting. Um, this is a very good hairdryer I found at a thrift store. Um, I like it. I like it a lot because it's flat. It's flat on the top and it's flat on the bottom. And I paired it with this Honeywell fan. The Honeywell's not on right now. It could be, um, but it's not. Um, the more efficient hairdryer you get, that is more that it doesn't create heat. Um, the more you can make your art creation portable. That is, do this on the street, and that's what I plan to do. This is my Anker power station. Um, it'll be able to run this hairdryer. I don't know how many. This is on high. I think the paint was still wet. Camera froze up. The paint was still wet. Paint's still wet. You didn't see me painting it. Um, uh, 22 and 20, 24 and 25 and 26 and 29 and 30 and 31 and 32 and 40 and 41 and 42 and 43 and 44 5 6 73. I'll stop for a second. If it starts to get like it's gonna unstable, you slow down. Two hundred, 1, 2, 3. Right, 3. I'm doing Fibonacci spiral. uh, Fibonacci numbers. Lost pen cap. My name is Matt Ford. That's Ford like the car. It's please send donations, Bitcoin donations. When I get a Bitcoin wallet address up, please send me some money if you think you find what I'm telling you useful. I'm hoping to kickstart a new art movement where the art is driven by the movement's driven by the producers of the art, that is the artists, rather than the critics and the buyers. Oh, the ball I'm using is it's a plastic ball filled with air. You get them really cheap. They sell them for little kids to put them into jungle gyms and stuff like that. I guess I don't have any kids, but you get them really cheap.